Last problem of the day. Marcus has 10 robots. Some were red and the rest were blue. Here's my number sentence that I made today. He had 10 robots. Some were red, the rest were blue. Here's my math picture. That went with my number sentence. Yeah, well, my timer was going down, and so I colored really quickly. Oh, friends, can you fix my error over here for me? Can you show a math drawing that goes with this number sentence and also shows which ones were red and which ones were blue? Make a video on Seesaw describing my mistake and talking me through what it really should look like. Then you're done.